Hi, this is Eric from LD Products, and today I'm going to show you how to reset the drum counter on your Brother HL-L2350 DW laser printer. We are only focusing on resetting the drum counter in this video. If you're wondering how to replace the drum unit, we cover that in a different video. Alright, so let's get started. Before you start printing with your recently replaced drum unit, you'll need to reset the drum counter. Your printer uses a page counter to track usage, which must be reset manually every time a new drum unit is installed. Drum reset instructions can vary depending on what printer you own, so please make sure you're following the correct steps for your printer model. Resetting the drum unit for this particular model is easy. First, you just want to make sure that the printer is on and the front cover is closed. Then you're going to hold down the OK button and the up arrow button at the same time. Then press OK to select drum. It's going to ask you if you want to reset the drum. You select the down button. It'll say accepted, and now the drum counter is reset and you can start printing. And if you want to actually check that the drum is totally reset, you can just recheck the drum levels, which you can do just by pressing the down button a couple of times until you hit machine info. Press OK. Press it a couple more times until you get to parts life, and select drum life. And then you'll see that we have 100% life left in the drum. It's completely reset, and you're ready to go. You can start printing again. And that's it. Need more help? Be sure to check out our other videos for this printer model. And if you're looking to save money, consider purchasing the LD brand compatible version from ldproducts.com. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like below and be sure to subscribe. Shop LD Products for all your ink and office supply needs. We are your ink and toner experts.